What is going on, my fellow man and woman, whoever is watching this video right now? Yeah, let's get into this opening. If you see, I got a bunch of these gold certificates in. They are they're 24 karat gold. I think if you watched my other videos, you would have seen that with the bluey ones at least, because I definitely made a video of the bluey ones. And we got a Morgan dollar, the 1921, and it's very nice. I think it is. Yeah. Got it for 28 bucks. What do you guys think of the price? I mean, it definitely could have been a little bit more prettier. If I had my scale next to me, I'd throw it on the scale. Give me 2 seconds. I'll grab. I'm not running to the safe. I'm just going to grab a nail to do a little ping test. And that's right. I said a ping test with a nail, not a ping tester, not anything crazy like that. I don't have my ping tester on me. That is also in the safe. I don't know if you could hear that. Yeah, this is a 1921 D. Hope you can see that tiny little mint mark right there. Or if I have to bring the... There we go. See that mint mark right there? Yeah. And I know I got quite a few of these actually, that we have seemed to acquired in the 1921 series. They're just so easy to come by. And I mean, yes, there's a lot of fakes out there, but there's not as many fakes of them as the 1885 or something like that. I mean, yes, you're going to find your fair share of fakes no matter what. And that is the gosh darn truth. There's no way you're not going to find a fake. And I know you guys are going to hate watching this. But like with all the ones that we don't buy in tubes, we capsulate. Yep, I said it. We capsulate it. And this is how I do it. I don't know how you guys do it. This is the one that it's just the easiest way that I have found to do it. Boom, voila. She's in a capsule. Well, the Morgan dollar itself. And usually I can find them pretty beefy. You know what I mean? With some good feathers on the breast. I'll say this one had nice feathers on the breast. Usually you can find them pretty good. What do you think? How'd you like that ping test? I hope you guys can hear it. I got my microphone hooked up. Usually it blocks out the sound that's around. But I don't know. The sound of silver usually transfers through everything. Everything. No, I'm kidding. Not everything. But also, guys, go watch my help giveaway video. I need your guys' help picking what we should do for 500 100 subscribers once we reach it. And I know it's a long ways. We're only at 11. But hey, I see you guys. I see every single one of you who follow me, and I appreciate it. And you're part of the community. It's not that you subscribe to me, you subscribe to the community. I'm not a bullion. I'm not sponsored by a bullion dealer, I guess I should say. I'm not sponsored by any coin shop or anything like that. So I pay for all this out of my pocket. I get all this out of my pocket, and I do it and I record it all for you. And I just recently started recording it for you and just to get opinions of everybody and how we should stack and how we shouldn't stack. And I don't know. I think that we should have a good community that works together and how to figure out when to stack and how to stack, when to sell, when to trade. Because right now the ratio, this morning I looked, it was 94 to 1. And the other day it was just 91. So I mean it's silver's dropping, gold's rising. Why is that? Do you think it's because we're getting all the gold in here because they're scared of the tariffs? Or do you think we're getting all the gold in here to replace the gold in Fort Knox before we audit it? But hold on a second. Look at this. What do you guys think of these old $50 Walking Liberties? I got a steal on it. Don't look at that number because that is not what I actually paid for it. I paid under that, actually. I paid $12.50 for this bad girl. And I think it is absolutely beautiful. Complete representation of, our actual silver dollars now. In case people never really noticed that. Oh, but at 5,000, we did lock in that we are giving this away, the 1955 proof 68 grade. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. By NGC graded it is. We're going to be giving that away at 5,000. So if you go look at my other videos and see what we could possibly be giving away, like I said, maybe give away some gold. Huh? What do you think about that? 500 subscribers, maybe give away this bad girl right here. Or maybe something like this, or something like these silver notes, or absolutely just leave an opinion on what you think down in the comments after you subscribe, and then you're entered in the giveaway so we can have your opinion and the possibility to win. How could you not want to enter in something like that? You could have free silver, free gold coming at your door just for the click of a button and an opinion from you. I know you like giving your opinion. Everybody does. Peace.